Do you know many people are having trouble with locating the lint filter on their Whirlpool WTW4955HW? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Open washer lid. Open the washer lid and remove any clothing or items inside. Step 2. Locate lint filter. Locate the lint filter compartment near the agitator or inside the washer drum. Step 3. Pull out filter. Carefully pull out the lint filter to avoid damaging it. Step 4. Clean lint filter. Clean the lint filter by removing any lint or debris trapped in it. Step 5. Rinse with water. Rinse the lint filter with water to ensure it is thoroughly clean. Step 6. Reinsert lint filter. Reinsert the lint filter back into its compartment securely. By following these steps, you should easily find and clean the lint filter on your Whirlpool WTW4955HW washing machine. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Whirlpool users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.